So we want to hook up a charger to this terminal. It's a little hard to get to, but if we follow this terminal's wire, the black wire goes into this Anderson connector, we can actually charge it here and it's electrically the same. Easiest thing to do, unhook the Anderson connector. We release the tab with a screwdriver that's below the big tab so that we can pull the black part out. Press the little tab down and the big tab comes out. Put a towel or something underneath it to insulate it. Connect your charging plug right to that tab, and that's electrically the same as here. On the positive wire here, undo the single Anderson connector, remove the tab that's on this side of the connector going to this battery, and then hook the red wire to the same. When you're done charging, you need to insert this back into the Anderson. Goes in that way, and it will click. Sometimes you have to start it a bit in the front, and it clicks in good, and then you can reconnect it like that. All done.